Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the podcast. This is English Listening and Fluent Practice. My name is Joe. Today, we will practice simple English together. This episode is for A1 and A2 learners. Please relax. You do not need to write. You do not need to hurry. Just listen. I will speak slowly. I will use simple words, and I will repeat important ideas. Sometimes I will ask you to repeat after me. This is called shadowing. Okay, let us begin. Today, I want to talk about daily English practice. Many learners ask, how can I speak English better? How can I remember English? The answer is simple. Practice a little, but practice every day. Not long, not difficult, just short and daily. Imagine this. It is morning. You wake up. You feel a little tired. You think, I do not have much time today. So you say, I will not study English today. This happens to many learners. Now imagine another idea. You say, I will practice English for 10 minutes only. 10 minutes is short. It feels easy. It feels possible. You listen, you enjoy, you finish, and your brain says, that was good. This is how learning begins. Your brain is not a machine. Your brain is human. It learns best when it feels calm, safe, relaxed. When learning feels long and hard, the brain closes. When learning feels short and easy, the brain opens. Short daily practice helps your brain say, English is okay. I can do this. Now let us practice together. Listen first, then repeat after me. I practice English every day. I practice English for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is enough for today. Very good. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Daily practice is powerful. Why? Because your brain sees English again and again. Today you hear a word. Tomorrow you hear it again. Your brain says, oh, I know this. This feeling is called recognition. Recognition makes memory strong. Short daily practice creates repetition. Long study days do not. That is why daily practice works better. This is very important. Stop before you feel tired. If you stop when you feel good, next time feels easy. If you stop when you feel tired, next time feels heavy. We want English to feel easy and safe. Let us do one last practice. I enjoy learning English. English feels easy for me. I will come back tomorrow. Excellent. My friends, you do not need more time. You need better habits. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Small steps every day quietly change everything. Before you go, please subscribe to this channel. Here you will get English listening practice, fluent speaking practice, shadowing for A1 and A2 learners. If this episode helped you, please like the video. You can also leave a comment. Tell me, where are you listening from? Thank you for learning English with me. This is Easy Talks. I'm Joe. Until next time, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.